AeroPilates Reformer Plus 379. This machine comes in as being one of the very best Pilates reformers for home use. This highly efficient and reliable machine fits perfectly in apartments, Pilates home gyms, or areas where space is limited. The AeroPilates Reformer Plus 378 is built with a small and light frame. This machine is also easily portable as it comes on a foldable frame equipped with wheels. These additions make the machine easy to move or fold together for storage in a closet or under the bed. Thus, this comes in as one of the best foldable Pilates reformers on the market. The only downside to the build of this machine is that it is not sturdy. The standing platformer on this reformer makes performing traditional Pilates exercises a breeze. As a plus to the former, this equipment comes with a cardio rebounder, which makes it able to perform a wide variety of exercises. This machine features many adjustable parts such as straps, hand grips, ropes, and footrests to suit every body type. It also comes with a comfortable platform cushion and foam shoulder pads. Last but not least, within the package, users gain access to 4 very helpful workout DVDs, which will take some of the load off of beginner Pilates practitioners. Here are some pros. Many adjustable features, small and lightweight frame, foldable and portable. Here are some cons. Not the sturdiest of machines.